The Global Positioning System, commonly known as GPS, is an integral part of our daily lives, helping us navigate our world with precision. But how does this incredible technology work? Let's dive in. The GPS system is a network of about 30 satellites orbiting the Earth. These satellites constantly send out signals. When you use a GPS-enabled device, it receives signals from at least 4 of these satellites. By calculating the time it took for each signal to reach the device, it can determine the distance to each satellite. With distances from 4 or more satellites, the device can triangulate its exact position on Earth using a process called trilateration. This allows it to pinpoint your location with remarkable accuracy. But there's more to it. The system also accounts for errors, like atmospheric delays and satellite clock inaccuracies, ensuring the data is as precise as possible. Additionally, modern GPS devices often integrate with other technologies, like cellular data and Wi-Fi, to enhance accuracy, especially in challenging environments like urban canyons. So, the next time you use your GPS to find your way, take a moment to appreciate the complex dance of satellites and signals that makes it all possible. It's a marvel of modern technology connecting us to our world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago.